Hello, my name is Ted Sparks, and I represent Doorserve Dry Cleaning and Laundry. We are a text-based dry cleaning and laundry company based in the United States. For the last few years, we've been wanting to upgrade our mobile application as well as our website. I was lucky to find Doorwineinfotech. They helped us through the entire process of designing out how our new mobile application was going to look and operate, as well as the website. They did a very good job of communications, testing, and all the things that you want to get done when you are actually developing a mobile application. Their process was easy. The communication was strong. Everything that I needed to get done was actually done. Anything that we felt that we wanted to change or adjust a little bit, the company was easy to work with. I would recommend them highly. Like I said, they did a great job for us. And if you desire to select them, I'm sure they'll do a great job for you. Our business is thriving now that we have our new mobile application in place. Website is working out great as well. And we just like to thank them for a great process of bringing us through to where we wanted to be.